Okay, satellite fans, Gause Garage coming to you from City Mopar Show here in Nashville, Tennessee. And sitting before you is one of the most beautiful 67 Plymouth Satellites 383 that I've seen in a long, long time. Workmanship looks great. New wiring, I mean, every attention to detail. Paint is incredible. And that white stripe going down that beautiful body looks fantastic. Taking a look around up through the interior, you can see, look at that classic patterned interior. That is just wonderful. That's one thing I love about the 67 Plymouth, the satellites and the Big Brother GTXs. As you can see, the chrome half ring, beautiful dash. Really high trim styling. The car is beautiful, very straight. And those lines, this is what you call the slab side Chryslers. Before they went to Coke bottle round styling, you would have this square boxy look, which is a very muscular look. Very beautiful. They've got the new repop uh, trim, tail light bezels, rather. I just had to think of the word here. Wow, look at that trunk. Very nicely done here, folks. Very beautiful. Neat as a pin. Beautiful chrome magnums with that trim. Really completes the look. And a silver bottom goes well with the red. Satellite. And I love the bullet style turn indicators. Those are awesome. Look at that chrome, shiny. Wow. Very, very nice. So there you have it, satellite fans. Red and beautiful. This is Gause Garage from Music City Mopars, Nashville, Tennessee. Thank you.